Garcia Brianna O'Neill. She is also the recipient of the following awards: Best in English, Best in Mathematics, Best in Legacy, Best in Computer, Best in Filipino, Best in Science, and Best in Christian English.
Congratulations to all the awardees. Continue to shine out as you move on. Keep it up.
May I call on Sister Connie to introduce to us our guest speaker for today.